So here is the outside of the man cave. We're gonna use those pavers that are in the back of the truck to top all these cinder blocks. The blocks that we have right now, we got free from my husband's uncle, and we wanted to use these to top all the cinder blocks, but what he gave us, we couldn't find any more anywhere. We checked Home Depot, we checked Lowe's, checked Walmart, couldn't find any more. So we're gonna use these thicker stones in the front yard. I'll show you the project for that later. So all these thick stones are gonna come off, and those thinner pavers are gonna go on top. And my garden photos are gonna come out looking so much better without having, you know, all these cinder block holes showing in my photos and videos. So this is gonna be a really fun project. I'm excited to see it get finished. I wish they'd have had the red pavers, but we could only find the gray concrete colored pavers. So we're gonna top everything with those. I'm not sure if I want to try to add some color to the pavers and cinder blocks, since they're gonna be that concrete gray. I thought about maybe like a cedar deck stain so that they would kind of match the cedar trim that we have on the outside of the man cave. Or if I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. Well, that looks nice. That's gonna look really good. So I just wanted to show you my spider wart real quick because it's looking really good today. Look how that just pops in the shade. Like, it's really dark. This, my husband's man cave faces north. So this area gets maybe a little sliver of sunlight when the sun's first coming up in the morning, and then a little sliver in the afternoon as the sun is setting. So that's why I have a lot of Akuba japonicas in there, because they can take it. But man, that spider wart just looks really good right now. And it's about to the height where I cut it back down to the ground, because once it gets much taller, it starts to flop over. And oh my God, look! Okay, look what I just saw. My little hosta, and I forgot the name from last year, is coming up right there. Oh, how cute. Chinese tallow seedling right here. Those are the devil. Kill them if you see them. And then this is that asparagus fern that I'm training up the wall of the man cave. And woo, okay, this was not supposed to be like a little plant tour right now because we're focusing on the pavers and hardscaping. But look at that. Ooh, sexy. Anyway, I got distracted by my little hosta down there. So cute.